We are in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane, where we get to taste some wonderful recipes created by Chef Laurent Zerati. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you so much for having me. Anytime you invite me with a glass of wine,
I know, we lured you in. We lured you in, right? Cheers.
Santé.
Santé.
Salud.
Santé. There we go. And this is a Sauv Blanc from Arborcrest, which is here in Spokane, and we've featured them on our show before. We learned sort of how to taste, which was really fun.
All the way down in Walla Walla.
Yeah.
So what did you learn?
What did we learn, Christy? We got to learn
the earliest in the day.
There was some swirling happening, and some
the nose
happening.
Yep, some kind of swishing around the mouth, aerating.
Yeah, and
so what did you smell in that wine, for example? Citrus. So very much
is bright.
so. Yes,
very bright.
Peach citrus.
Yeah,
it's very typical for Sauvignon Blanc to go in that direction.
And so wine is always good with maybe some cheese and some crackers and some other things, right?
So, yes, exactly. I'm glad we have the white wine because a lot of people think that cheese should be eaten with red wine, but not all cheese. The acidity of the white wine cuts that
richness?
That richness of the goat cheese and the strength of the goat cheese. It's more palatable. It's better. It's much better.
So we're going to showcase Washington apples.
Yep.
With some apple chutney.
Chutney,
that is a recipe of yours.
Exactly, that you can use on your charcuterie board.
Okay.
Well, let's take a look and see how we make it.
Let's do it.
Awesome. Did you check out those knife skills?
I know. So
definitely not my knife skills.
We teach that at the college, and that's a perfect brunoise. It's called a brunoise. The little
cubes.
Brunoise.
It looks beautiful.
Would
you eat it just plain on a cracker, or?
Yeah, it's good. Try it plain and then put some other stuff on it.
Or just out of the bowl.
I didn't expect it to be sweet. I expected it to have more of that vinegary bite that I would get from a
more
chutney.
Acidic, yes.
But this is very just sweet and delicious.
So you gotta be careful when you drink or taste wine with the vinegar. That will kill the taste, the flavor of your wine. Anything really creamy is great with white wine because that will settle that richness, like you said, the fat, in your palate. Beautiful.
Are we fans?
Divine.
Divine. I love it.
And if you feel like you're too fancy for a chutney, no, come on. This is perfect. This is a way to impress the friends and family.
Absolutely.
So I think the balance with the sweetness of the chutney goes very well with that charcuterie.
Well, thank you for sharing. This
My
is
mouth
delicious.
is happy.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, indeed.
Cheers.
To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zerati's apple chutney,